welcome to RC Industry.
One, two, three, four.
Hey, it's Rick here. Well, it's a nice sunny day. We've had a bunch of rain lately, and yesterday I was driving the car because my van's in the shop. That's a whole nother story. I didn't have my camera with me, or I'd have videotaped that. But anyway, so yesterday I was driving the car and it was raining. I was over to Mom and Dad's and I got ready to leave, and when I was in the car, of course, and then when I turned the wipers on here, why, they made one swipe across there, you know how they do, and the water just poured in right there. Come right down along the side of the car onto the floor mat. Of course, I've got it all dried out now, but anyway, if any of you've got a Taurus and you've had an issue like that, comment and let me know. But I'm thinking it's almost got to be something either down where the air intake is for the coronavirus filter that's in under here for the air conditioning, or something's, you know, got down in under this rubber here, and or it's coming in up here, you know, or around this old sun top or something. I don't know, but I do know what I'm going to do, and that's I'm going to get me a garden hose and start fooling around with it and see if I can figure out where the water's coming in. So anyway, I know you probably say, well, what in the world are you messing around with that old car for? But the wife and I bought this car new in 2002, and it was a model year old when we bought it. It had 12 miles on it, and so I mean, it's got like 112,000 on it now, and it's 20 years old. So we just keep it up. I mean, I just had new struts and stuff put on it recently, and new tires, and it's always been kept in the garage. Now, it did get in a hailstorm one time, and we had to have that all redone. I cracked the windshield. It didn't do anything to the sun top, but it cracked the windshield a little and put dents all in it, and I had it fixed instead of taking the insurance money because it was totaled. It ain't worth anything. So but I think there's one, I had a guy work on it, but I noticed the other day when I was cleaning it, of course it don't look too clean right now, but if you look down through here, right there is a hail dent yet. So, but other than that, it's pretty good. So anyway, alright, I'll quit talking. You don't want to hear all about that stuff anyway. Let's see if we can figure out where the water's coming in at. Alright, show you more. Alright. Well, I'll tell you what, I got me a screwdriver here and a pair of needle nose. And I'm going to see, I've seen my grandpa rebuild a 350 transmission with less tools than this, so surely we can figure out how to get this little plastic plate. Looks like there's a clip. Actually, the clip is missing there, this one and this one. And I think this is where you change the coronavirus filter, but I'm not sure. I haven't changed it in a long time, so probably time to do that too. But let's see if we can't get this open out of here. They'll probably not allow me to have this video in there because I called it a coronavirus filter. But all these people that are running around here driving around with a mask on in their cars are just fools, because most of them have got air filters for their cabin filter, and none of them ever changed it. They probably don't even know they have it, so it just irritates me. But anyway, we don't need to talk about that. Let's just see if we can get this off of here and see what's in here. Little Jesus clamp there. I'll put that in my pocket so I don't lose that. Alright, let's see if this will raise up. It should pull up out of there, but you know how that is. Let's see here. View over here so you can see what I'm doing. This here should pop up out of there. I've done this before, I think, on this car when I changed that filter, but you know, I might be wrong. I don't remember. There we go. That came out of there. There's a leaf. Let me get you a little closer and let's look down in there. Okay, well, if you look down in there, is that light on? Yeah, that light's on. So if you look down in there, that right there is where it goes to the, I think there's a drain that runs right down over that way. That's about where that leaf was. And then that's probably supposed to drain out under the car. But I may have to go get on the old interwebs and look. But here's that filter I was talking about. Of course, you can see where that thing's manufactured at, so that'll help. All right, let me research this a little more and see if I can may just get some water and run down in this area right here and see if it comes in. That'll let us know. All right, show you more. All right, well, let's take this water now. I didn't turn this on very fast because I ain't trying to flood the damn thing out. So anyway, let's stick this up on there. Just let that kind of run down in there like that. I don't want to put it down in the heater core. We can get that to stay. There we go. Now, let's go see if that's running in. No, I don't see anything because it was running right down through here. Which I think that computer box is back up under there, but some of you Ford men will know more than that about it than I do. But it's a running down the drain and a coming out. So I would say that that is not the problem. All right, show you more. Okay. Well, here's what I think about this filter. So make sure you got your dust protector on. I probably should replace it, but I can see daylight through it. But it is dirty. Let me see if I'm blowing backwards on it too. The air flows this way. That's why it's dirty on this side and had all them leaves and stuff on it. So let's blow some more through backwards on it and see what happens. Alright, show you more. Okay, I got that back in there. The only thing I can figure is maybe, because the water does get in this, obviously, and runs down and drains out. And that big leaf I pulled out of right there, maybe that was blocking that passage enough that under that heavy rain, it filled up and then got up in under here. Because that would be the heater ductwork. Because the air flows into that and blows down, and maybe, you know, when it got into the ductwork under the dash, the water, of course, just dripped out. I don't know. I'm gonna put this back together, and then we're gonna set up a sprinkler on the car, and I'll get inside and turn the wipers on. Let's see what happens. All right, show you more. All right, we're simulating a rainstorm here. Let me turn the wiper on. They're still dry down there. I turn the wipers on. Still nothing. Turn that air off. I bet that was a blowing in your ear. Well, I don't know. It ain't leaking, I can tell you that. Maybe that leaf was clogged up that drain in there. That's the only thing I can figure. Alright, show you more. I just will give it its yearly bath. Okay, well, like I said in the beginning, if you guys know anything about these Tauruses or where there might be a leaking problem at in them, I know this car's 20 years old, and you know, but I mean, you can look at the headlights on it, and I mean, they ain't even cloudy yet, so it's been taken care of, or at least it's been garage kept. And I've always run synthetic oil and everything, so the engine doesn't use any oil. I get it changed every 5,000 miles or every year, whichever comes first, with that synthetic oil. And we always just change it once a year, because we don't even drive it 5,000 miles a year, I don't think. So anyway, I don't know how the mathematical equations come up when you do that, but you know, it's got 111 or 12,000 on it now, and it's 20 years old. So anyway, all right, well, thanks for watching. We're up to 177 subscribers now. That is fantastic. But why don't you, when you're watching the video, just reach up there and hit that button and subscribe? It don't take no extra time. I'd like to get 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year, and then we're going to do a big giveaway. So anyway, thanks for watching. Bye. Fred, what are you doing now? Oh, come on, man.
I was walking down the street, I was minding my own affair.
Run, Tallulah, run!
Hi, baby.